I am currently short on Siacoin, and I want to talk about why I've decided to go short on Siacoin right now. I'm not saying this is a bad token to hold for the long term, because I know it's super trending, super hot, and there is long-term potential with this token, but I want to talk about it. So we can see a $707 million market capital right here for Siacoin. And yeah, it's looked extremely parabolic over the last year. The last month it's been super strong. And even with Bitcoin crashing just recently, we haven't really seen Siacoin correct much. It's very independent. There's not really much correlation to the rest of the market right now, especially the sentiment that we're seeing in the market, which is of course neutrality from the extreme greed that we've seen. So I have decided to open a small position here on Siacoin. It's only around, I think, $2,000 or something like that. It's on a 7x short. In fact, it partially filled, so I didn't even get to fill as much as I wanted to, which is also a little bit annoying because I'd be in even more profits. But yeah, you know, we're trying to grow this portfolio up quite a lot right now, and Siacoin is one that I'm looking at on a short position. The reason I've decided to overall just short Siacoin is an indicator that not many people do use, and it's not 100% accurate all the time, but it's the relative strength index. However, we're looking at the weekly time frame, and what Bitcoin recently did when, you know, it hit its recent weekly euphoric top is, if you were to short Bitcoin at the 83 RSI, you would have been in an incredible short position from $48,000 to 38.5k or something. Siacoin seeing something similar, very overbought RSI 84. So I do speculate that Siacoin could actually drop down to like a 70 RSI and lose about 20 to 30% of its value, maybe in the next week or so. Of course, the complete opposite could happen, and Siacoin could actually end up pumping, and I'm very much aware of that. But this is just what I've decided to do because it looks like a rising wedge on the macro here, and of course the RSI telling me to sell makes me just want to do that. So I've gone and decided to do that right now. So what else can happen for Siacoin? I mean, we could of course see Siacoin lose this key area of support right here of 0.012. So then we could potentially see 0.0118 happen. And if we see more continuation to the downside, now looking at like a 30% correction, if we look at the start of this pattern, we could seriously even look at a great DCA range. I think this one here, the 0.618 Fibonacci, is a good one to be really targeting long term. If we're looking at this support region where you got a strong sell buyback wick, $0.01. So if this happens, we are looking at a strong correction down 20%, and that's what I think can happen for Siacoin, is a 20% correction. Alternatively, if we do get a bullish reversal here on the 4-hour time frame, we could see Siacoin surprise and shock many and even rise above to 0.014, 0.0142, these kind of levels. So yeah, interesting to see it. I hope, of course, for myself right now, Siacoin breaks away and does lose the support, which it is trying to hold right now. Of course, Bitcoin is the major mover in the market, and we can see on the weekly time frame and even the daily that Bitcoin is trying to actually retest the $40,000 region, but we are getting rejected time and time again. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here, by the way, folks. Also jump into the Patreon down below if you wish to unlock over 500 trading signals per month. We've got over 10 analysts in my Discord channel who are effectively putting loads of trading signals out there for you guys so you can potentially make some money. And here is Siacoin on the long term. They're saying the yearly high for 2030 will be 0.033, and that is only a 2 to 3x from where we currently are. So that's a very conservative price prediction, I think, for this coin. With only $700 million market capital, I think Siacoin, of course, can still do a 10x by the next bull run. So let me know what you think about Siacoin. Comment down below. What's your narrative and position on this? Because I'm going to ride out this short, see what's going to happen. Really wish the whole thing filled. Unfortunately, it didn't. Only like 30% of my trade filled, and because of that I am down quite a bit in terms of what should have been profit. But hey guys, crypto is a great place right now. Don't worry about these bearish times. Even if they feel bearish, they're actually not. They're really, really bullish, and I think 2024 will still be an amazing year. Bye for now, stay crypto safe, and yeah, see you soon.